Okay friends, as you can see here, this is Toshiba microwave and I'm going to open this one. Once I unbox it, then I tell you about this microwave. So let's start unboxing. Okay, this is the manual of the microwave. You can see Toshiba microwave. It has 1 year guarantee. I just bought this one from Amazon. You can see this is the packing, and I'm start opening this one. You can see here, this is the plate, and this one is the ring. Okay, I keep this one aside. Microwave, Toshiba. It has time cook, time defrost, weight defrost, power clock, everything it has. You can see. And from inside, I'm going to show you. See how big it is. This one is 23 liter. This one is 23 liters. And shortly, I'm going to start this one and show you. This is the glass with the handle. It looks very good. As you can see here, I already put my microwave. Now it's on. This is the digital. As you can see, this is 23 liter. This one is 1200 to 1250 watt. Oven capacity is 23 liter. It is turnable 270 mm. Dimension is 285, 397 and 293 mm. And the weight is 13.1 kg. So it's a very good microwave. It has the facility of child lock as well. Okay. This is microwave. And now it's ready to go. And the last, I'll tell you the price of this microwave. The price is 84.99, 84 pound 99 pence. Okay, as you will get it on Amazon. So this is very nice microwave. If you like the video, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And you know my channel name. You know, Shatranj ke Bazigar lifestyle. Okay, bye bye.